Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100. The Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 is a lightweight, user-friendly tennis racket designed for intermediate players seeking power, comfort, and easy maneuverability. Weighing just 285 grams unstrung, it offers a more accessible alternative to the heavier Ezone 100, making it ideal for players who prefer a faster swing without compromising stability. The racket features a 100 square N head size and a 16 by 19 string pattern, providing a generous sweet spot and spin-friendly performance. Built with Yonex's signature isometric head shape, the Ezone 100L enlarges the sweet spot for better forgiveness on off-center hits. It incorporates advanced technologies such as vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle to absorb unwanted vibrations and deliver a smoother feel at contact. The Liner Tech grommet system ensures improved string movement and increased power, while the updated frame design offers more flex and enhanced stability. This 2022 version also benefits from a refined beam construction and upgraded shaft design for improved control and response. The racket's balance and swing weight make it an excellent choice for juniors transitioning to adult rackets or for doubles players looking for quick net play. Its sleek, blue cosmetic gives it a modern and stylish appearance on court. In summary, the Yonex Ezone 100L 2022 is a versatile racket that blends power, spin, and comfort in a lightweight package, appealing to a wide range of players who want performance without added weight or fatigue. Number 2. Wilson Blade 98 V9. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for advanced players seeking a blend of precision, feel, and control. Part of the 9th generation of the Blade series, it continues Wilson's tradition of innovation and competitive play. This model features a 16x19 string pattern, which offers a great balance between spin potential and responsiveness, catering to aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. A standout feature of the Blade 98 V9 is the stable feel technology, which enhances torsional stability for a more connected feel during each shot. The racket frame is constructed with direct-to-consumer feedback in mind, fine-tuned for improved feedback and vibration dampening. It also integrates 45-degree carbon fiber construction, which increases flexibility and frame stability, promoting a more natural swing path and increased ball pocketing. The unstrung weight of the racket is approximately 305 grams, 10.8 ounces, giving it enough mass for solid shot making while still being maneuverable. With a 98 square inch head size, it offers pinpoint control, ideal for players who generate their own power and want to place shots precisely. The 16x19 string pattern aids in creating more topspin, giving players better control over depth and angles. Offered in grip sizes 1 to 4, this racket is suitable for a wide range of hand sizes. Whether you're competing in tournaments or engaging in serious match play, the Blade 98 16x19 V9 delivers tour-level performance with enhanced feel and control. Number 3. Head Speed MP. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is crafted for intermediate to advanced players who demand a balanced blend of control, power, and speed. Part of Head's acclaimed Speed series, endorsed by top pros like Novak Djokovic, the Speed MP version is slightly lighter than the Pro model, offering greater maneuverability while maintaining a solid and stable feel on contact. This racket features a 100 square inch head size, delivering a generous sweet spot that enhances forgiveness without sacrificing control. With a 16x19 string pattern, it offers excellent spin potential and consistent shot depth, ideal for aggressive baseline players and all-court competitors. Weighing approximately 300 grams, 10.6 ounces, unstrung, the Speed MP provides just the right amount of mass to hit powerful shots without compromising speed or precision. One of the key innovations in the 2022 model is auxetic technology, strategically placed in the Rackets yoke for superior feedback and a more responsive feel on off-center hits. The frame also incorporates graphene inside, a structural enhancement that improves energy transfer and stability throughout the swing. The aerodynamic design helps reduce air resistance, allowing players to swing faster and react quicker. Overall, the Head 2022 Speed MP is a versatile, fast-feeling racket that caters to modern players who rely on speed, control, and spin. It strikes a strong balance between maneuverability and performance, making it ideal for players who want a racket that can keep up with high-paced rallies while offering consistent precision. Number 4. Babolat Pure Aero. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa second-generation tennis racket is designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal and tailored for players who thrive on heavy topspin, explosive power, and aggressive baseline play. This racket is visually striking with its bold yellow, orange, and purple color scheme, reflecting Nadal's energetic style. Weighing 300 g, unstrung, and featuring a 100 square in. Head size, the racket offers a balance of maneuverability and stability. Its 16 by 19 string pattern promotes spin generation, while the 320 mm balance helps deliver solid control and racket head speed. The aerodynamic frame, enhanced by Babolat's Aeromodular Superscript 3 technology, reduces drag, allowing for faster swings and more spin-friendly shots. The FSI spin technology, with wider string spacing and oblong grommets at the top and bottom, enhances string movement for better snapback and more rotation on the ball. Babolat also uses SWX Pure Feel, a vibration dampening system embedded in the frame, which improves comfort and touch, particularly useful on volleys and finesse shots. Ideal for intermediate to advanced players, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen rewards aggressive hitting and high racket speed. It's less demanding than Nadal's actual pro frame but maintains the feel and essence of his playing style. Whether you're looking to dominate with spin or power from the baseline, this racket offers a dynamic blend of control, pace, and flair, making it a top choice for competitive players inspired by Rafa's game. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th Gen, is a powerful and forgiving tennis racket tailored for players seeking easy access to power, enhanced comfort, and a larger sweet spot. With a 110 square in head size, this oversized frame offers excellent forgiveness on off-center hits, making it ideal for intermediate players, doubles specialists, or those with compact swings. Weighing around 9.5 ounces, 270 g, unstrung, it maintains a lightweight feel that ensures maneuverability, especially at the net and on quick volleys. The extended 27.6-inch length helps generate added reach and leverage, translating into improved power and spin potential on serves and ground strokes. The 10th generation Pure Drive incorporates FSI power technology, which spaces out the cross strings slightly for a more open string pattern and improved power and spin. The addition of SWX Pure Feel, a vibration dampening material integrated at 3 and 9 o'clock, enhances feel and reduces unwanted feedback, creating a more comfortable hitting experience. This racket comes pre-strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gutted mid-range tension, offering a good balance of playability and control for players who want a ready-to-play option out of the box. The string setup suits recreational and intermediate-level players seeking a blend of comfort and durability. Overall, the Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th Gen, is a user-friendly racket that delivers explosive power, high comfort, and excellent forgiveness. It's a great option for players who prioritize easy depth, a large sweet spot, and all-around playability without sacrificing control.